All right, guys, looks like I got a new package. Time to install a new mod I got on my car. So let's go and open my garage. I got this sent over from Hansshow to put on my new Model Y Juniper. Can you guess what it is? It's not gonna be on the outside. It's actually gonna be on the inside. We know how hot it could be in Southern California. Summer's coming. Right now it's about 85 degrees outside, but inside my car, it's a lot closer to 130. All right, let's go and open this up. There it is. Motorized sunshade for the Model Y Juniper. All right, so the first thing you need to do, you're gonna go to the trunk and we're gonna put the seats down. And then we're gonna open this area right here to access the cable. All right, so this is the area that you have to pull off. As you can see there, we have the plug, and as you pull on this panel, there we go, you can access this plug right here. There we go. Simple, just pull that out. We're gonna test our cable to make sure it works. Goes like that, and the other goes like that, and this is going to go into your motorized sunshade. So let's go in and test it, make sure it's working. There we go. So let's go and test it and see if it closes. Here's the button. Looks like it's working just great. And let's go and open it. See how it works right there on the back. Cool. We're ready to install this thing. All right, so let's go and put the headliner sunshade in. The motor is gonna be towards the back, so you need to make sure that you install it this towards the back. So just like this. You're gonna put it in diagonally. It's not too heavy. This can be done with just one person, but easier with two. Just be mindful that when you put this in, your headliner might get dirty from the floor. This is the wifinator. So I'm going to lift this up and put it. So there you go. Just like that. There you go. Okay, so right on the back here, we have the weather strip. You can just use your pry tool to access this, so you can fish your wire underneath this. See, I can separate right there. This is going to be your access point, so I'm just going to put this here so we know. We're going to do the same thing and just pull this down right here. So you can see right here, oh, this whole panel comes off. Just like that. It has these magnetic clips right here, as you can see, and it has regular clips as well too. So you're gonna fish this wire underneath this, just like that. Put it in, and then you're gonna close it back up again. And the goal is you want to get this as much as possible. There you go. There you go. And then we're gonna connect this later. It's not all the way back enough. I think it has to be hit more, huh? He was like hitting it, right?
No, he just made like a pop.
Let me hit this one. Although this can probably be done with one person, I don't recommend it. This part fits so tight and snug, it helps if you have someone supporting it while you're trying to squeeze it in.
How's that?
Okay.
Can you reach?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh, I see it now. Okay.
You see how much I have to push?
Okay. Oh shit, drop the screw. Got it. I found it. Go ahead. Push it. Okay. Leave it there. We had trouble aligning the front holes and screws to the mounts, and it was a lot easier once we pushed the lateral sides of the sunshade as close as possible to the glass roof. There, finally, you can let go now.
Like, oh, don't start that way so you could round it out. Yeah, so
I see it.
You see what I did? Yeah, so that's what I did when you were... And I keep that one in and then go along the side right here. Yeah, and then...
Oh, wait.
Oh, so it still needs not close enough?
Yeah. There, actually, I'm pushing this.
Oh, okay. Does that help?
I can feel it sliding.
Me too.
Okay.
How's that?
Yeah, better now. Push it here.
Push it here? Okay.
Okay, now I can hit.
Okay, is it hitting?
No, I mean like now I can.
Is it too much?
No, it's push a little bit more. There, I'm in. I think I'm in. Let me see. Yeah, let go. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, the last step here is going to be concealing the wire from the back. So now I can finally connect this piece right here. It's going to connect just like that. And now I can tuck it in underneath this weather seal. Just like that. Put it in. Just right here. There's actually a little cavity behind it that you can conceal it even better. Like that. See how I'm like tucking it in the panel? Make sure this part gets back underneath. There you go. And the last part right here is gonna go. Alright, so you can see right here, I have it all tucked in. There's plenty of space in this cavity to put the extra wires in there without it making any noise. Just align back your panels. Perfect. Let's stop it too. Yep. So one of my favorite features about this sunshade is it has voice control. So you prompt it by saying, "Hello TT,
I am here.
open sunshade."
Open.
And just like that, with your voice, you can open your sunshade, which is super convenient, even for your passengers in the back seat, because they can't reach that button, but they can with the voice command. Close sunshade.
Close.
That's my review of the Hansshow Model Y integrated electric retractable glass roof sunshade. I've been using it for several weeks now, and it is definitely my #1 most recommended accessory to install on your Model Y. I've hadn't had any issues, and I love that I can keep the sun in or out at the push of a button. More cars should come standard like this. Anyway, use my coupon code below for an exclusive discount. And if you like content like this, like and subscribe. And if you're buying a Tesla, use my Tesla referral code too, as it can really help support my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you at the next one.